when does the devil tempt you and your desire enslave you? When? إِنَّ الَّذِينَ اتَّقَوْا إِذَا مَسَّهُمْ طَائِفٌ مِّنَ الشَّيْطَانِ تَذَكَّرُوا. How do the pious people resist temptation, resist the evil whispers of the devil, and they keep themselves in check? What's their secret? The Quran says the pious people, when Satan is whispering to them or their desires are inviting them to do that which is prohibited by God, they immediately become aware. They remind themselves, they're conscious. And by doing so, they're able to control themselves. We human beings, we forget. We just, the sin, just makes us drunk. It hypnotizes us. And we forget that God is watching us. Just ask yourself, is a child more respectful in my eyes than God? If a child was here, I wouldn't do some of the things that I would do in my private life. Is God less than a child in my life? Every day remind yourself. Every day remind yourself, and honestly be creative in how you remind yourself. Put a reminder on your iPhone. Isn't that amazing? Put one reminder in the morning, one in the afternoon, one at night. God's watching you. God's with you. Be respectful to God. I'm serious. It raises awareness. If you have those sticky notes, where you're reminding yourself of your tasks and chores that you have to do, put a big one every day reminding you of this. It works. Brothers and sisters, it works. Try it. You'll see how it works.